There are products that make our daily lives easier, especially in the kitchen, and some of them are so cheap that it's really worth buying them. And that's what I'm going to show you here now in this video. The first one, guys, check out how interesting this type of clothesline is that you can install on your wall in the laundry room or in that space you have in your backyard, okay? It doesn't matter where in your house, you can install it on any wall. It's very functional. When it's open, it can hold 2 to 2.5 kilos on each rod. And when it's closed, it doesn't even look like a clothesline. Many people call this type of clothesline a wall-mounted clothesline, and that's what we call it here too. It's really good, it's really awesome. I install these a lot in apartments, especially for those of you who live in apartments. We know that the area, especially in the kitchen, is already small, but the laundry area is even smaller. So imagine having a clothesline that is functional. Look, I'm not hanging clothes, I don't have any laundry to do today and so on, and you just close it up and hide it. Aesthetically, it looks clean, it looks nice, it looks cool, nothing is visible there. This is the kind of clothesline I would recommend you buy and install in your home. There are various sizes. There are 60 centimeters, 80 centimeters, 1 meter and 1.2 meters. It depends on your needs. You can install it at mid-height, you can install it a little higher, you can install two, one higher and one lower. It depends on your needs.